Now, we have got...
Want to play it again?
We can play one after. We'll play another game after. Okay? Alright.
We have to say, I thought not the same word.
No. This is a quick little... Okay, so here's, really quick, hold on. You're going to use these 5 words up here to fill in here. Okay? So, alright, so now where's your pencil? Which way does our D go? Make your bed. There you go. Start at the top, come down. There you go. So you're just going to continue to select things from here. Awesome, great job.
Your dog is nice.
Your dog is nice. And you see how this is Y-O-U-R? That's your dog.
Your dog is nice.
Yeah, so we'd say your. There's another way where we say your, some, and like your, and that would be you are going over there. That means you are. That's a contraction, remember? Those two that are coming together. But this is your, is you own it. Your bottle set, your crayons. I'm just helping you because that is a big thing that now a lot of people don't know. So I'm reminding you. All right, next one.
He is a do. He has a do.
Okay, there you go. Write her down.
He has a new hat.
He has a new hat. Who does? Who's that?
The cowboy.
The cowboy. All right.
The has 2 wheels. The bike has 2 wheels.
Make your bed. Choice the B. Yeah, there you go. That's okay. All right, now remember our E. We want to start on the inside, go to the right, and then swoop around. There you go. Awesome. Great job. There you go. Nice. Way to go.
The bike has 2 wheels. Mine actually has 3 wheels.
So how many does yours have?
3.
3?
Yeah.
It only has 1 training wheel?
4.
You'd be leaning to one side, I think, all the time if you only had 1.
No, you'd be leaning to that side.
Yep.
You'd be like, hey, I'm pulling up in their life here.
Yep. All right. So.
Mine has 4 wheels. The is so soft. The chair. I thought it was. I was just saying sofa. I was gonna say sofa.
Could be like a sofa.
A sofa is a couch.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if there's a phrase for the P and the Q.
I don't know. We should see if there is. I'll try to find out.
Like, people wouldn't know if the difference if there was a P and a Q if there was a phrase.
Yeah, and you know what? Sometimes remember that Q. A lot of times we'll have the hook at the bottom, like that. So that's how you can tell the difference. Because a P is just like that, and that Q has that little hook. But if it doesn't have the hook, yeah, they almost look the same because they just look like that.
But
yeah, the Q normally has that hook on there. All right, okay, finish that one.
do it without looking at the R. That was really tricky.
Mm-hmm.
It's like ER or R.
Yeah. Chair. Chair. Good job. Awesome. Oh, let's look at that. Make your bed. Make your bed. Which way is it? Yeah. Okay.
That'd be duck.
Yep.
That wouldn't make sense.
I don't think so. I think that's like that's a Dr. Seuss word. It's a made-up word. All right, so switch that up.
Duck. Oh yeah, he makes up stuff.
He makes up some words. Yeah.
Like the
All right.
Grinch.
Mm-hmm. Erase that one. Redo it.
Book.
Book. All right, so let's go through them again real quick.
Book is funny.
Book is funny. All right. Let's go through them real quick. What were they again?
Your dog is nice.
Awesome.
He has a new hat. The bike has 2 wheels. The chair is soft. The book is funny.
Awesome. Great job.
Joke book.
The joke book. Okay, one thing we're going to do really quick with this. This is something that I wanted to do to help kind of with learning to use, going in how we use the alphabet, how we go in alphabetical order. What does that, do you know what that means if we go in alphabetical order? Okay, that means it would go A, B, C, D, E, F, G. That's alphabetical order, right?
There's 26 letters.
Yeah, and so we're not going to go through all of these. Okay, we're going to go through some of them.
Why is there 16 numbers?
Because there's 16 words, but we're not going to go through all of them. We're just going to go through some of them. Okay? So, if we go in alphabetical order, that means we're going to put them in the order of the alphabet. So, let's say your teacher says, Jonah and Ian, your friend, right? I want you guys to line up in alphabetical order. Would you come first, or would he? Would he stand in line first, or would you? Let's go through. Okay, yeah, go for it.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K.
H, I, J. Does I come before J?
So, A comes before B. So,
but when
Jonah and Ian. So
yep.
I'll go first.
H, I, J. What was first?
H.
H, then, but with I and J. H, I, J.
H, I.
So with I and J, which one's first? I. So Ian would go first, right? Okay.
Yeah.
So this will be something that will help you when you need to use a dictionary.
Okay, so are they first name?
Yeah, so you go by
Actually, there would be several people in J, because Jacob and Josie.
Mm-hmm. So you'd have other people too with that, yeah? Okay. So let's look really quick. Let's look at this. Let's see. We're going to put these in. I'm going to get rid of, let's see, this one now, and this one.
Alright.
Let's get rid of that one. And that one. Because they're repeats. And so we're just going to go.
You're wrong. I don't want to do it
Any words wrong? You're wrong? Okay. Alright, so let's start. Let's look through here. Which one is going to come here? We'll get rid of that. Which one is going to go first in out of these words that I didn't color out? Which one will come? Oh, that one we're going to still use. Sorry. Which one?
Rush.
Okay, what word?
A, B.
Okay. Do we have any A's? Oh, but in these words here, I'm sorry. In just these words here in our list. Do we have any words that start with A?
No.
No. So what's our next letter?
B.
Do we have any words in here that starts with B? That start with B?
No.
What about brush?
Yes.
Yeah, sorry, I didn't mean to mark that out. I was trying to say that we were still going to use it one. Okay, so brush is first, right? That'd be number 1. Okay. So I'm going to let you put the number by the next one. What would be next? If we use writing, used, stream, queen, trouble, wrong, very young. What would be number 2? What would be the second in line? Okay, A, B,
A,
C.
C.
Do we have any C's?
No.
D. Any D's? E,
No.
F,
No.
G,
No.
H,
No.
I,
No.
J,
No.
K,
No.
L,
No.
N,
No.
N,
No.
O,
No.
P,
No.
Q.
Yes.
Which one? So you're going to select which one. Yep. Awesome. What number was that then? 2. Okay. So we were at Q. What comes next after Q? R. Do we have an R in there?
Yes.
Awesome. What's that word?
Writing.
Writing. Okay, so that's number 3. You selected the correct one. Nice. What's next after R?
S.
S. Awesome.
Yes.
Do we have an S?
Store.
Yep. Oh, you know what? Here, let's look at this one again.
Strong. Stream.
Stream. A stream is kind of a small river or a creek. That'd be like a stream. Okay.
Like a pond.
Well, a stream is normally the water is moving. It's actually going somewhere. A pond, it just sits there, right?
Actually, there is a pond that goes somewhere.
Mm-hmm. Well, and so that would be the stream. The stream comes out of the pond. The pond is just what sits there. That's a pond. If it's the water that just sits there, if it's moving down somewhere and it's kind of snaking its way around and going through, that's a stream.
Actually, the stream is not cut up with the pond, so I think the stream is taking water from the pond.
Oh.
And the pond is taking water from
The stream could, well, let's see. If the stream is up above the pond, do you think the stream is going into the pond? Yeah. What if it's below the pond?
They're equal. So
Well, if here's the pond and then the stream's down here at a lower level, what's happening?
the pond is going.
It's feeding into the stream, right?
Actually, like, what if the pond was here and the stream was here?
Then which one do you think? If they were
No.
even? If they were even?
Yeah.
I don't know. It just depends.
I know that's what it's at, like, by the park. That's what it is. It's equal.
Well, you'd have to think too, which way is the water coming in? And then you could just watch and see, is the water coming in to the pond?
If it's wind,
Or is it going out?
If it's not windy, it's not doing anything. It's not moving.
What?
It's not doing anything. But if it's a stream, nothing's moving.
Huh, well then it may just be, then it's probably not a stream because a stream is something that is moving.
But it is it's waving around from the pond.
Oh.
So I have no idea what it is. It's
Huh.
not a stream or a pond.
Maybe it's still just, maybe it's part of the pond then, I think. That's interesting. Alright, what's next after S?
T.
T. Where's T? Is there a T? Trouble. Okay.
V.
T, what's after T?
I haven't remembered the ABCs in like.
Okay, let's do it. Go through them.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U,
T, U, right? U. Good job. Awesome. Yep. Good job.